it's not just tokens. In fact, it's not just money. This is this currency type of example that we're talking about. And so this is the example I started giving. A college degree is a kind of reputation currency that makes it visible that you've attained a certain level of learning in a particular domain. And you earn the degree by fulfilling the degree requirements. You need 25 credits of this and 15 of that and 10 of this. And those show how much hours of coursework you've completed in different domains. But the credits only count if you get a good enough grade, which is a performance metric trying to measure how well you're learning the content of the course. And you divide up the power in the university by who gets to issue which currency. And then students manage their flow. They navigate the path of education through these currencies. These three non-monetary currencies are woven together to shape the flow of learning. And again, we don't think about currencies this way. We don't realize how much currencies are the social DNA of the world that of the water that we swim in, and how much they shape our behavior and how much we use them to solve flow problems that are not just monetary. And then transcripts are like your balance sheet of this education. And if you start looking at systems with intrinsic data integrity, blockchain, holochain, those kinds of things, those no longer need to be hidden in a data fortress of the registrar's department in the college. They could actually be published in a public way, and you could retrieve your transcript and share it and that kind of thing, or a semi-public way where you get to release it. I wonder what's going to show up here. Okay, so yeah, I was just saying, remember, one of the valid rules for transactions is that you can't do them, and you shouldn't do them for reputation currencies. I think that's actually the end of this particular presentation, but I just want to say that there's so many fun things that you can do to shape little dynamics in currency design, and that give feedback loops and give wisdom and information and sort of upgrade the collective intelligence of community by helping us see the flows. And those flows are about so much more than exchange of goods and services. There's flows of sharing and caring and trust and relationship and all kinds of social contracts that, even as we move beyond some of the patterns in monetary currencies, we still, in order to operate community on scale, need to be able to see these currents. We need currencies to be able to make visible some of these reputational dimensions and social contracts.